Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use ShipBob for e-commerce passive income step by step clearly. Begin by signing up for a ShipBob account on their website. Fill in the necessary business information during the registration process. Once registered, log in to your ShipBob dashboard. Navigate to the Products section to add your items for fulfillment. Click on Add Product and enter detailed information about each product. Include product name, SKU, description, weight, and dimensions. Upload high-quality images to showcase your products effectively. Set your pricing strategy based on market research and competitor analysis. Next, link your e-commerce store to ShipBob. Choose from popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between your store and ShipBob. Once linked, transfer your product data to ShipBob for streamlined inventory management. Identify your target audience and create a marketing plan to drive traffic to your online store. Utilize social media, email campaigns, and influencer partnerships to promote your products. Monitor your inventory levels regularly through the ShipBob dashboard. As orders come in, ShipBob will automatically fulfill them from their nearest warehouse. Keep track of order fulfillment timelines to ensure customer satisfaction. Utilize ShipBob's reporting and analytics tools to measure your sales performance. Adjust your marketing strategies based on the data insights you gather. Consider expanding your product line based on customer feedback and market trends. Stay updated on e-commerce trends and optimize your operations for better efficiency. Engage with your customers through reviews and feedback to build loyalty. Continue scaling your business by reinvesting profits into inventory and marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.